recognize the importance of peace in attaining a healthy and progressive life for the Quezonians. However, peace is a long-term commitment. The provincial government has taken significant strides in maintaining our beloved province's stable internal peace and security status. As part of our efforts, we have started implementing the Enhanced Comprehensive Local Integration Program, or ECLIP. This includes financial, livelihood, and reintegration assistance for former rebels. One of the impactful projects that we have launched in collaboration with various stakeholders is the Bahay at Lingap para sa kababayang tumugon at nagbalik loob sa pamahalaan, or the Balikatan Village. This project is not just about providing shelter to returning citizens, but also about helping them to start their new lives as productive members of the community, thereby contributing to the overall development of the province. While we acknowledge the importance of immediate actions, it is still the sustainable poverty alleviation programs that will truly curtail insurgency and movements against peace. To prevent the untoward scenario, the provincial government has integrated in its programs and various development initiatives that will significantly impact the lives of each Quezonian. We have established barangay development projects, strengthened school institutions, and empowered the healthcare system for the people, among others. In addition, we continuously provide livelihood programs and promote the province as an investment hub. With these initiatives, we can provide opportunities for our people to thrive and contribute to the peace and development of our province. Building lasting peace takes time. It also requires action from different sectors of the community. On this note, I would like to commend the Armed Forces of the Philippines Southern Luzon Command for their unwavering support in achieving peace, pushing for development, and providing security in the province of Quezon. It is my desire that we continue pursuing our shared goal of an insurgency-free Quezon Province. Totoong malayo na ang ating narating, pero mahaba-haba pa ang daan nating tatahakin para sa tuloy-tuloy na kapayapaan. Maraming salamat, AFP Southern Luzon Command.